When it comes to the holidays, Black women don't just decorate, we transform. Living rooms become winter wonderlands. Dining tables turn into Thanksgiving feasts. And here's the thing, we don't do it alone. Across the country, sisters are swapping secrets, sharing traditions, and lifting each other up through decor. Today, I'm revealing 25 Black decor groups that will inspire you and connect you with a community that really gets you. So, hit that like button so YouTube knows that Black decor matters. And yes, stay till the end for a free Mommy Room Redo giveaway.
And with that, let's get started. Hey family, welcome back to Mommy Room Redo, the channel that celebrates our homes, our culture, and our creativity, one soulful space at a time.
In this video, I'm sharing 25 top holiday decor communities, places where sisters are connecting online to inspire and be inspired. While the majority of these decor groups can be found on Facebook, there are sisters hanging out in TikTok and Instagram too. First up, Black women who love Christmas decor. I joined in October 2024, and this group of 123,000 ladies is like Christmas radio that never turns off. Sisters share Black Santas, after season steals, and more. One member even spilled the tea that the Black musical Grand Nutcracker was already available at Sam's Club before it sold out. Now that's news you don't want to miss. Black Santa Lovers. This group is all about celebrating Santa in our image. From ornaments and wrapping paper to life-size displays, Black Santa Lovers is packed with festive ideas that keep your holiday decor joyful and unapologetically Black. All things decor at home. This group has 628 members. Founder Akasha Walker really sets it off as she shows us here with her decor. She told me, I love statement pieces and wow wall art. Sometimes I fall in love with just one item and build a whole room around it. Well, her velvet pumpkin centerpiece proves that one good piece can set off a whole room. Black women who love the holidays. I joined in December 2022, and it's now 27,000 strong. These sisters cover it all. Christmas trees, Thanksgiving, Easter baskets, you name it. It's like walking through the holiday aisle with your girls and never wanting to leave. Black women who love holiday decorating. I've been here since 2020, and it feels like a holiday block party. DIY wreaths, outdoor displays, recipes, and a sisterhood that celebrates every win. African American Christmas decorators. This one's been over 20 years in the making. I joined in October 2024, and now there are 68,000 members. It's dedicated to Black Santas, angels, nativity scenes, and cultural pride. And they don't just decorate, they advocate, calling out stores for cutting back on Black holiday products, decorating with a mission. Black women who love interior design and decorating. I joined in December 2022, and it's now 117,000 women strong. Member Sharon Smith told me, most of my decor comes from Ross, Burlington, and Home Goods. Some of my canvases I make myself, sometimes with fabric shower curtains. Sis is proof that creativity always beats coins. Black women who love interior design. Since September 2020, I've been part of this group. Post a pic here and 41,000 sisters might hype you up like you just landed a gig on HGTV. The encouragement is unmatched. Black women who love indoor living spaces. I joined in 2020 and the holiday glow here is something special. Fireplaces dripping with garland, cozy living spaces that feel like home. The vibe here is warm, classy, cultural. Black women who love indoor and outdoor living spaces. Small but mighty, from fall patio dinners to indoor Christmas movie dens, these sisters show you how to mix both worlds beautifully. Black women who love outdoor living spaces. In 2020, Tara Page created this group as a safe space for women of color to be inspired and empowered. She welcomed you with a "Enjoy, sugar, I'm glad you're here." With 245,000 members, this group is a powerhouse for porches, patios, and backyards. Black women who decorate with style. Member Donna Harris says, "For me, decorating is about creating cozy, elegant spaces where my family can gather." Well, you see her centerpiece right here, full of candles, florals, and metallic pumpkins, nails that vibe perfectly. Stylish yet inviting. Black women who love holiday decor. Started about 5 years ago. It's now nearly 15,000 members strong. This group is cozy and personal. Instead of showroom perfect, it feels like walking into your favorite auntie's house, full of wreaths, garland, and holiday tables that make you want to grab a plate and stay a while. Okay, ladies, well, we've got more to see, but I gotta ask, have you seen a group that already feels like your tribe? If so, drop it in the comments so I know which community is speaking to you. Black women who organize. I joined this group in 2021, and this group is about neatness meeting creativity. It features pantries, closets, bins. If it can be labeled or color-coded, it's in here. Just remember, order makes your decor shine brighter. Black women who love organizing. Formed about 5 years ago, it now has 18,000 members. This one is for sisters who can't stand holiday clutter. Whether you're full on OCD about bins or you just like everything in its place, you'll find hacks for wrapping lights, storing wreaths, and keeping your holiday gear neat for next year. Black women with home decor and design. This one's been around for about 4 years, and already it has 16,600 members. Even though I'm not an insider yet, the name tells you exactly what it's about. Sisters coming together to show off decor that's stylish and intentional. From the little bit of peeks I can see, it's active, it's current, and it's clearly a space where Black women can swap designs and keep each other inspired. And it's definitely a decor group to keep on your radar. Quick pause, family. Now y'all know I've been bringing you soulful Black decor out of love since 2020. If you'd like to support this channel, then send some love my way via Cash App, $NeekB2018. Every little bit helps. At BOK and Home on Instagram. Run by Jamaican Bermudian sisters, this community spotlights Black homes worldwide. Tag #BOK and Home and you might be featured. Gorgeous and global inspiration. #Melanin Interiors. Try this hashtag and get thousands of TikToks and Reels showing off mantles, trees, and seasonal setups. You'll be scrolling for hours. At Black in Design on Instagram. Curated design inspiration, chic and polished. When you want your holiday style to look gallery worthy, this is your feed. At AfroChic on Instagram, this diaspora-inspired interiors collective features African prints on stockings, Kwanzaa tablescapes, bold colors, culture, and beauty. Black Artists and Design Guild. Nicknamed Badge, this global collective of Black designers is polished, professional, and powerful. Here's your seat at the design table. Black Interior Designers Inc. Nickname Biden. Professional designer know-how, but inspiration that everyday people can apply. Luxurious looks mixed with relatable ideas. Lipstick Alley Home Decor Forum. It's unfiltered, but it's real. Sisters drop dimes on what's worth your coins, post pics, and tell it straight. It can be messy sometimes, but it's always honest. Hashtag Black Home Decor. This lively hashtag community features fall entryways, Thanksgiving spreads, Black Santas, and more. It has everyday sisters shining online. Mommy Room Redo. Our Facebook family page is all that and a bag of chips. Since 2020, Mommy Room Redo has focused on soulful decor and culture. Member Dr. Felicia Harris shared her Charles Bibb piece, Evolution of Glory. It sits in our breakfast area and fills the space with color and light, she says. We found it in a museum in Charleston, a signed numbered edition, 22 of 500. Bibbs is internationally acclaimed with works in galleries, museums, and homes of collectors who value spirituality, dignity, and grace. And you see, that's what Mommy Room Redo is all about. Not just decor, but culture, legacy, and beauty that tells a story. All right, good people. So here is the bonus that I promised. It's a free giveaway for the Mommy Room Redo family. You see, we've got official Mommy Room Redo swag, and I'm giving it away. All you gotta do is drop a comment telling me which decor group you're most likely to join. That's it. I'll pick a t-shirt winner in a few weeks and announce it right here. Don't forget to comment.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.